Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your cursor icons on Windows 11. Just go to this website. I go to this website a lot and select the cursor you want to download. For instance, this one, you can search up many more. Here's where you can download it, and you're just going to put it in this folder. So I'm just going to select File Explorer, and I'm going to go to this PC, C, and I think I'm going to go to Windows, and after Windows you're going to select cursors, and this is where you want to put your file in. So remember this right here. Then you're just going to search for like mouse settings, select it, and you're going to select additional mouse settings. Then you are going to select pointers, and here's where you can change your pointers. So for instance, I want to change the normal select browse and select the one you want. So I'm just going to choose the normal select one and press apply, and as you can see it changes into this icon instead, and I want to change it back, so I'm just going to select browse and select the Hello Kitty one again, which is this one, and press apply. Then once you're done, just press OK, and you're just going to apply it to every bit first, and then you're going to press OK. They usually have like a pack of like the help select, so the help select will be a different one, so you can just select browse and then select the help select one instead. And once you're done with everything, just select OK, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!